Live, trans, and prosper. Hi, I'm Professor Brian David Phillips. Welcome to my home. Let's get to it. Today we're going to take a look at something interesting, and that is Google Gemini Flash 2.0 with image generation. This is free. You go to AI Studio and you can use this for free. And it's one that went under the radar and it caused a lot of wow, that's awesome kind of effects and response from folks because it is, well, I just said it, pretty awesome. So let's find out what. Go over here and make sure it says Gemini 2.0 Flash with image generation. It is experimental. I'm just going to run it. I'm going to show you something really cool, and that is you can do some editing of your images. So let's upload a file. We're going to go into my drive and look for stuff, and I'm just going to grab an image from Facebook. So this is me at dinner with my family. Oh, I love my family. I do. That's not even a joke. So it uploads, and then I just type in what I'd like to do. I'm going to actually edit this image using the AI. So I'm going to say, change his outfit to a black formal tuxedo. Boom. And then I hit run. And then we'll see what happens. It's got a timer so you can see how quickly it is handling this. You don't get to see it where you're at because how clever. I have my little video capture guy. I'm going to move him up. Alrighty, so you can see now that, hey, the image has changed. How interesting. Click on this. It's the same guy, same image. It's just a tuxedo, which I don't own a tuxedo, and now I don't have to buy one. I can just wear it in my images, or I can do other things. Now, here's the thing. You can see that it really is the same image, just edited. It's very good at this. However, if you keep adding prompts, you're going to end up with some drift in terms of what can or cannot happen. So let's say now put him on the let's just make him, let's change that. Let's now make this a professional All right, that's pretty straightforward. Now make this a professional headshot close-up portrait with colorful rainbow background. Now this is the same, it's feeding off what was done previously. So it's just going to add in to the sequence. And I have found with experimenting that the longer you go on the sequence, it just gets worse and worse. This isn't too bad. So we see we've got a nice close-up portrait. I like the effect that they gave me a little earring. I have sometimes worn earrings. I don't wear loops. I used to wear a stud, but that got a little off. Now you can see that the face is deteriorating a little bit. They tilted the face and it's starting to morph out. If I do another one of these, it's probably going to get ugly. So now put him in a wizard's costume at a haunted castle. Full body portrait. Now let's see if it remembers that I am not a small man. So we're going to see how that works out. I do like that headshot. It's a little creepy, a little weird. If it was a square orientation, I would use it for Facebook. But hey, here we go. Same guy. We're starting to see some de-evolution in the face features. So if you didn't know that was me, you might not know it's me. It took the tuxedo and it made it a black one. I would never wear a black wizard's outfit. I would always wear a royal purple. So change to a royal purple wizard's outfit. But we're going to see it's just further and further we get from the original source image back here, the more it's going to flip out on us and give us some changes. So it's starting to not look like me. It looks like my cousin. We'll call him Jeff, not me. But it is there. Now, what can I do about that? Well, I can feed this picture back. I could upload it again and say, now do it again. But I'm not. You get the idea. Gemini 2.0 Flash with image generation, free on Google AI Studio right now, and you can play around with it and have all sorts of interesting effects that you get with it. I hope that has been helpful, interesting, whatever. For now, though, this is just me, Professor Brian David Phillips, saying, live, trance, and prosper. Bye-bye.